It is another beautiful, it's another beautiful night. I'm Joseph Chimba, the Grassroots Media President, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia. I want to talk about opposition political parties challenges. Opposition political parties challenges. Ama challenges ba opposition bale pitamo. Apatu Afrika epa balando kwa dipakwa kanobunga tapabansoni. So therefore mumfwe sana mwebali mu opposition ababa mu ruling party aba bena baliya nga chakwe bati ba opposition bafumyapo aya mafia nangula ububu afya obakwata. And I want to make it very clear so you can share my broadcasting. Share my broadcasting, share my broadcasting, share my broadcasting. share my broadcasting. Iitwa fika papa ni wafa washara. So share my broadcasting. Share my broadcasting. Cause topic on kweti hapa iliko hapa nipa walando kweva ati nipa nembe. Pakwa kano bunga tapa bansoni. The challenges that are in the opposition. They don't therefore kwa napati ba ama ba opposition. Then ba kainde na lalanda po pali ba HH. So kanshi konsoko mule tambira kuti mwae baba kashina abana mwapala mila uchitunshi. Before shilambo kulanda ndefo kumebo kweba ati na bambo kuchita register ama voters. So nga mwali kwa taye na alasi muka ele mbesha ama voters. Pakweba ati tukesefu miapo ububu teko ubu ansala. Muka leke load shedding ika mvote kainde. Muka leke load shedding ika vote UPND. Muka leke high cost of living ika vote HH. Muka leke high cost of living ika vote UPND. Muka leke high prices of fuel ika vote HH ika vote by UPND. Tulefa ubu teko waka uvote kuri high price of fertilizer. So wherever you are, you tell your neighbor, your sister, the people you love, kuya mkulembesho kuvota. Shite ya kusenda ma voters kadina isa na bamba lero. So kashumambi kuya mkulembesha, pantu next year tule chinjo ubu teko ubu ansala, ubu alete, ukikata abantu, kuna posa abantu mchifungo kwa bule milandu. So tule ando kweba, tume mkulembeshe, konseko mudi. Apande fokula na kupama challenges, ba opposition eo bale pitamo nangula abantu ababombana ba opposition efo bale ilishanya kairinga za tulelanda kumuna kwa chilimbita pale ifo tatubalandila kwa abantu leona lambo kulanda na ba UPND na bere na bakwata ma challenges za kurusana ama problem ali mu UPND akurukuchana mu PF. So wherever you are, I want you to share my broadcasting so that mumfwe funa lambo kulanda. California grassroots media, we give 90% opposition political parties and we give 10% to the ruling government. Tatusoka for government beka, leona ba opposition tulabasoka. As we are waiting for the numbers to build up, you can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. By Joseph Kapori, you are watching all the way from Siavonga, Babuaria Simon, you are also watching. You should tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media. Babu Adia Simeon, you are watching from, you are not telling us where you are watching, but Jimmy MK, you are following. You can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from, so that together we can. I want to know where you are watching the grassroots media from. The town, the place where you are, and the province will help us. So as we are waiting for the numbers to build up, let me just do it like this again.
Kwatitibu babumpwe ngabaisa mukulombe koti baishefya ngapushi walokwa ngabati banakirire batekanye kwatite balya bachimeko ilyatwasalile pokusala bena twaleti bakaya tulandelako kanshibena mapange yabo yali yakuyankunonkelapo bakashite kwe jacket 3 piece na mapea fulu ayansapato bakatumenwe pizza chicken and chips kuna fanta bakanwine po bakashete chicken shawama chile chibanzi ichafikoko bakochere potibon bakanwine po whisky bakafimbe timikoshi na mafumo anyante kukunganda ya mafunde balila pofye balila banako banshipena jabanyanta po lyonse ni mumapajero kamuamona baisa pempula ko ni 15 ishtanga ya palama irensta ya kusalanga ya kumana baisa mukutube paikara irensta ya kusalanga ya kwana baisa mukutusembaikara nishina batekanya kwatitebu basakala nyongo ngabayiringanya kwatitebu kwebo tuli mikanto ishakunene na kwechibumba ichakubatwala pamipando tapakokola bayamba nokuponta ifilayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa amabulanketi ayabalaire lilutulala pesaka amanine namabatire twakulaya lilutulala kanuka imisebo batile bakesasiba indala mashaludira mwitumba mstedi batwegu fyo bakabumba baituka ulapya masile mu mapepa filayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa ifilayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa ifilayo tabafikirisha ifilayo ifwe twatendwa batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe yenska yakusalanga yakumana baisa mukutube baikara yenska yakusalanga yakwana baisa mukutuse maikara nishina batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayibinganya kwatite ubabukwe twatitikishiwa mwandikwe na pafula nobubino bwangalo batila politik abengamano yabo yaba yamahipokriti tabakusana sana mano nabafarisi yenska yakusalanga yakumana baisa mukutube baikara yenska yakusalanga yakwana baisa mukutuse maikara batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayinganya kwatite ubabukwe yenska yakusalanga yakumana baisa mukutube baikara yenska yakusalanga yakwana baisa mukutuse maikara nishina batekanya kwatite ubasakala nyongo ngabayinganya kwatite ubabukwe. Wantala misuka Wapukwe Basakara nyongo Wantala misuka Wapukwe Neti basakara nyongo Back there.
Brothers and sisters, we are talking about the challenges that are found in opposition political parties and what should be done. And at the same time, I'm going to talk about Hakainde Hichilema, outgoing president, one-term president HH is going. And I want to say, share my broadcasting and at the same time, tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media. And I want to advise you, my brothers and sisters who are following us, pari page tepauti ati mule tukana. Da mula tukana, mulesa mule tukana mule. Again, mwambo gustari prime mweka. Don't insult one another. Politics not about insulting. It's about correcting the mistakes of these failed leaders. Hakainde Hichilema is a failed leader, and Hakainde Hichilema is a liar who lied to the Zambian people. Unga uzangala 50 kwacha, few uzangala 12 kwacha. Load shedding, but today load shedding is the breakfast of the day. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from and share my broadcasting because I need more numbers. I need more numbers. Ninchi babantu wengi bali mu load shedding takwa bamalaiti akaindi ali penye chalo. So make sure you share my broadcasting and I want you to help me to invite people that you love to follow my page because we have remained with 8,000 people for us to have 200,000 people for followers on this page. So please, Napapata, wherever you are, I want you to help me to invite your friends and relatives. Na tumfwe, if you're tired, are sabaila.
Jonza bila bantu kanda suba. Mafuta, bantu mifundu no yinde mwaka, ndebo mbela. kati nombali wala mona ta apike mirungu na mwita tu contract alega pa Diwa chame totally ili nomba kwa shalati less than eye ukuvota eno nomba kuli nomba wa councillors na MPs abatabale bombolo bafundumene ukwambe misebona aseboyo okabika dala lilazi wale extension yonsezi Mungu wa shadi uyo wale kwatira abapena ayo kwabwele lo wale extension yonsezi Mungu wobe mufu wabo wale extension yonsezi alakuka bakandi eno nomba abantu nabacha ino nshita tekula vote la feri Mungu umuntu use deliver Mungu ekesheni utate deliver that person out in the name of Jesus mwachukula vote la feri Mungu ino nshita kumuna nomole vote wamu kweba tuwa kansish ngata disappointing tatule kukulama 5 years before set up ngata bombe nti replacement so all of us are replaceable. Chimona kuchengero kulonga nche bomba bwino. I'm replaceable.
You can tell us exactly where you are watching the Grassroots Media from, and I'm still looking at the numbers on top there. I want you to share my broadcasting, and I want more people to follow my page, and I want more people to watch my broadcasting. I want to talk about the challenges that are in the opposition, and the outgoing president, who is Hakainde Hichilema, who is going to be the former president next year. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the Grassroots Media, and at the same time you can share my broadcasting. I'm just waiting for the numbers to build up. Let's do it like this. So we are waiting for the numbers to build up.
Its members are tired of greediness, are tired of selfishness, and are tired of corruption that is taking place. This is the members of UPN. Now about ordinary innocentism. For the first time in the history of Zambia, there is a government that is extremely corrupt. What is going on in Zambia today has never happened in the history of that country.
Mulawisha MMT, mulawisha UPNT because of mulandu wakutemu kuliamu. Ukuliamu tu alikutemuisha from the lower level to the higher level, from our mushi to our neighbors mumba. Ukufuatu kuliamu. Ababemba chaba shani. Mwa shani kanshi. Mwa shani kanshi. Awa mushi. Ngabalisha. They vote for UPNT. When UPNT is such a mess, they vote for them. My neighbors Mumba, up to the point of being vice president. Now, that's why I'm saying members, some of us, we are used idiots. Not all of them, there are some members who have got principle. But a number of us are used idiots. And we need to stop this. We need to stop this. No one is going to sue me. I'm part of you. But I'm in the Eastern province. I'm in the Eastern province. I'm present Nishimale is a community house. Nishimale is the Mafumina Banashing. If you have been to Mandin, let us be principled, not for Kudiamu. If you do not tell them, never for Kudiamu. Being useful idiots, it's not good. You are messing up this country. Some of these things we should frown upon them. We should say, no, this is not right. This is nonsense. We should refuse it. We should refuse. Tokotoka principle. Anyway.
And the last thing I want to say to the president of Zambia, be careful how you fly this helicopter. I wouldn't have told you, or I wouldn't have told you any of the English. You fly a helicopter from your house to the office You are looking down on the state house. You are staying in your own house. The land of the nation is not happy with you. You left the state house. You are living in your personal house. That means you are telling the land of Zambia that their state house is a stinking house. The Lord is warning you. You are not bigger than God. The way you carry yourself, you look untouchable. But the Lord said, after you have forced yourself into power for second tenure, they will took you injection, that injection will be for health challenge. Hear the voice of your people. Go back to the state house for the nation to be built well. You have not done anything for that nation. Be careful of this helicopter. You are moving from state house to your house. You are diminishing the pride of your country. It's a message I came to give to you. Thank you, sir. I love you, sir. Sir HH, forgive me, I'm just a messenger. Don't mind the way my mouth is running. Forgive me. I'm just a messenger. Don't come for me, I beg. I'm Julie's son. As my mouth is just, that's the way God said it, I'm telling you. Nobody paid me anything. Forgive me.
Good evening, madam. How are you?
Okay, thank you.
How are the things in the Patriotic Front, and what encouragement can you give the people outside there?
Stay calm. We are moving. We are on course. Don't be frightened. Make sure wherever you are, mobilize the youth. Magamaka is our youth. Let's make sure we become strong and the mighty Patriotic Front. Don't nenuka. Don't look back. Just make sure you recruit as many people as you can next to you to become strong PF members. And also ensure that those who are going to be 18 next year by April, they should all get their voters card registered. It's starting very soon, 7 days to go. Make sure you start registering by the 13th of October. You can register. But the Patriotic Front shall never die. Ever green, ever fresh.
Thank you so much. My topic is about challenges of the opposition political parties. I am still monitoring the numbers on top there. I need to have more numbers of the people to watch, because page yandiari kula yakwata 193,000 today, which is about, I've remained with 7,000 people to have 200,000. So as I'm talking to the world, because I talk to the world, I want to have more numbers. So as I'm waiting for more people to watch my broadcasting, I am asking you that you can share my broadcasting so that we can attract a lot of people. Ama challenges mule bale pitamu ba opposition na hii government ya kwaka inde ichile maile ya cause inatu inukule ina ya ya baka inde government na ya. Don't even think about it. It's a failed project. It's a finished project. It's expired product. UPN is expired product. So don't worry about UPN. Not be sure if it wala inukula. Tuwali inukula kade in fact. Yabasha ala fiba benda fiomwela. Badi ya. UPN dia. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the Grassroots Media and share my broadcasting. Let me do this one. Then I begin to talk about the topic that I have today.
bena ni ma MP bena ngo ni ma candidate ati bazayimira independent nane nikamba pameso pano wa president ngani ni national youth chairman wamene asesa chipani cha UPND kubwera ku structure kuyambira ku ward ku ma branch kufika up to pa province na pa national apitamo ndeni maira tafuna kwenda independent icon hiyo ya Your Excellency kulibe independent mu UPND ngauma senza UPND nkala cheo kazipitiliza kulibe kushta file ini jade ngatilipo esema youth wose mwambera mayouth musimai mwambera
6 this story I'm hearing that the president has apita koma MP na makansela bazaluza manje president azasebe derani manje president muniona ati nilipe zero ine manje president azasebeza bwanje eka azasebeza bwanje president eka mukanipasa ma independence mu parliament muja nikabauza uti lamulo tiende uko bakana. How is the president going to run a government? The president needs councillors. The president needs council chairpersons. The president needs mayors. The president needs MPs. The president needs ministers. Ndiye suti yo 2026 tifuna suti ngati tina vuto na MP watu ni mukazika panzi iwe bwera nkale hapa iwe kala Zambia Muma councils where we have no council chairpersons, we have no mayors, tivutika. Tivuno gwira nchito, mayor akamba vinamu. Tifuna mulusaka, mayor watu mulusaka muno, mayor watu. Zambia, kukopa belt, all the districts we have mayors except in Ndola and Kitwe. 2026 we want our own mayor in Ndola. Ndiye kani
iyi ni message yakuli imwe ba UPND bachipanchola mulira. Okay, don't be so comfortable and so sure that you are going to win 2026 elections. Here are the facts. Remember, PF was building, construction, they were all over. Okay, they were giving money to almost every citizen of Zambia. Okay, but what happened in 2021? They lost. The people of Zambia are intelligent, okay? Don't think that CDF, Naduo Carriageway, okay, is doing you a favor. No, it's not. Go on the ground, listen to what people want and what they are saying. Otherwise, the Malawi formula is possible in Zambia.
What score are you giving them so far? What score are you giving from 1 to 10?
So far, what I can say is that I would give them 7 out of 10.
Okay, then you are probably saying yes. 7 out of 10 is a pass, I think.
Look, right now.
All the honorable members,
Inchito ikosere sana kuikata na mpia. The moment we manage to hold each other together and we choose a leader smoothly, Nishinawa. The real complication is kule kaifa bukuwa MPF. That's all. Nomba wale tuangasha na kufintu kutua iche. Kutua lana na fimo fintu.
Twakula konkefunde pakuteka abantu na pakuteka ekyalo. lero fwe bene mfutu wa basolwe ukona ula ifunde na constitution bushe temalanda kanwa fyayo bushe temagalanda kanwa fyayo bushe na fisuntinkana ife tulelanda nemichitile Yesu kwentunguru shife bafyashi nifwe basolwe mukufunda abekala chalo nangu abana kuti umusalula ubi ule chindika abakalamba we mwana nangu mule chindika abakalamba mule chindikana apo mwikele mwe bantu
sonomba ufwe nae awa basikara aba yeisa mukumi uchita diskewu muleva kweba tukankoyo tekwesa mukupangira pension
Rupia mahali ya maja na akupera 1000 kwacha wa PF bakesa Monday Tuesday Wednesday bakesa bakula pera rupia nga bamupera 2000 walanda chawe nyimkota abantu munganda makota abengi pereni 10000 bakupera 10000 wabika mutumba jira na akuchitovu ichikaraiwe.
These are some of the leaders that you have put in offices, and I know that is a strong language, but there's nothing that we can do because bakapwepwe bala ndilo kweba tu mula ndongo wapitile pamusula kupisha pamusula. That's what bakapwepwe said. I'm Joseph Chimba, the Grassroots Media President, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia. I want to appreciate you, my brothers. Bonsi mweba de tamba kamwamba basaka mwamba basisi mutozi ati ande ya mukombe mwalira ya mukombe muri uli ati ningosire mulishani mwebe na chinsadi mwebe na ruwingu mulishani ruwingu rwansase watumpa rwa mocha ba muri bwanji bakaonde baswa mema tini mu nyumba ya mavira ya mulishani. I'm Joseph Chimba, the Grassroots Media President, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia. Aba shala babana gashi ine former president for 7 years. You think I'm joking? Na alichenjela ngensoka na alikwato mtima wankunda na alichenjela ngensoka na alikwato mtima wankunda aimbako no rimbo na litumpa ine aimbako no rimbo na litumpa ine former president for 7 years. You think I'm a joker? I'm joking. Walimona kokoba ichalo koba imbapo ichirindi 4 months no shika mu muntu. Walimona popo wafi alilwaiwe. Walimona po umuntu afwa mwaimbe ichirindi 4 months no shika mu muntu. Walimona po mukamfwa yaka subana tochi. Walimona po mukufwa yo muntu yaka subana tochi. Uri na matwi kaomfwe uri na menso kamone nalichenjera ngensoka nalikwato mtima wankunda. Me, former president for 7 years. You think I'm a joke? I'm joking. Walimona po kuimbe chirindi for 4 months no shika mu muntu. Walimona po walitamba pweyo. You think me I'm a joker? Aimbako no rimbo ati na litumpa ine uri na matuka umfwe uri na menso kalelo lesha uri na matwi ka umfwe uri na menso kalelo lesha nomba na isa mukwisula program tumfwe ama challenges first thing umfwe Le kefio. Ya, nyimbo ya dilanda vyonse. Ya dilanda vyonse. Chibemba chilando kweba ati wale ngere nkala mugwi katapa mukoshi muntu bakainde balandiro kweba ati twalambo okubekata pamu twala chinje mingalato twalambo okubekata pa mikoshi nabena ba opposition na rungu bachinje mingalato nabena bachinje mingalato yo twabekata pa mikoshi nabena bachinje mingalato lungu atile ngati abomfya abantu bafirwa na makoti nga yafirwa tukabomfya aba international nga bafirwa aba international na makoti tukabomfya plan B. Politics te abana kumwingilamo vokala ndile lungu isiyeo akapondo kapalasti na ushari mwaka bamo tuwale mieba tilo ushari mwaka bamo ba UPND badile kokubomba badile kokubomba ba UPND batontonga bachirindi tuwamkwimbe chirindi tawamulapo tawakola kunganda chiriro wamkwimbe chirindi mwala pila uno mwaka wamkwimbe chirindi kunganda amarota wako mwala pila 4 months chave cha senama chileita abantu no ushari mwaka bamo. Challenges of the opposition. I want to advise the opposition kwando kweba ata ama challenges abantu bale pita mona haya. 1, ba PF, where is your national youth chairman? Na minister advise ba PF kwando kweba ati aba kwata ama position yabiri. Ni member of parliament ali kwata na position imbi yala ma position oba kwata kuba poka mwapela kwa abantu abashikwete efya kuchita aba kwata ma position ni member of parliament ali ngire ashita concentrate parliament na constituency efa na miebere na litila advice ayanga mwapela aba member of parliament tete mubule member of parliament abe youth chairman YPF takwa abatavichitika uri ali ngire ata concentrate na parliament no usta concentrate na constituency niko opposition eko muri kwali baba mu abantu abashakwata ama position. You have to give those positions to the people abashakwata ama constituency. Mwali mona uria rubusha uria ali kwata position ku Eastern Province waita mamutamfya abafe member of parliament bamo alafyo ameba tamumfo mo ba PF. Then I want to advise you about opposition. Mona ni ba opposition game of ya bapa kwali baba bomba abantu ababomba okay nalanda ati na ina la ibika pofu kwali bafwe miafwa ba opposition tamwa ishibaki ama phone tubomfya Yesu tamwa ishiba kweba ati ama mic fyonze ba tubomfya equipment imyotoka fyesu tamwa ishiba ama bundles tubomfya Yesu so tati mwishiba kweba ati abantu ababale bomba mu chipani balefwa kama bundles balefwa ka fuel balefwa ke myotoka UPND ngati walipuisha kale ngakwali cha kweba ati ba opposition mule tupela funding takwa ba funding. That's why ba UPND balepe makopa nono because ngati walikwete funding UPND ngari longa kale ba UPND ngabali sala. But where the problem is takwa bako ba opposition tete mulanda chibonse mwalichula tetule bomfye myotoka Yesu tule bomfya ma fuel Yesu tule bomfya ma bundles Yesu tule bomfya na ma phone Yesu. You are not fair. Me, I want to tell you the truth. You are not fair. You are not fair. Tati mulanda okoba chimukawina my election. That's why na tayari udia anaisa bailango mulwele wa menso ichilenga tayari ale chitasoni insala because tamumu afwa nomba aba kwa tayari wala menso wala mumala kwa tino muntu wala diarrhea na baraba ichabe na ground bana chama America ichalenga bapene muna ndi wansala. You need to help abantu abale miafwa mulinga mula yafwa nibanga bale bomba ku media nibanga bale fwa kafiwo nibanga bale fwa kemyotoka kupaka obutukulu chikula kainde echilema. You need to fund the people can help you, but you cannot run a political party or as opposition political parties. Tatu munje bati ba Fred Membe mwalichula bakaraba mwalichula mwabela KPF mwalichula ba PF bonse mwalichula kufiro kumpela motoka ne uwende chalo chonse mwafirwa. Don't tell me that you are poor and you want to win an election, because instead to dimwe yote yakulala. We are supposed to go outside there. Lusaka taparifi abamo. Lusaka is the last station yama politics. We are supposed to go kuma radio station. We are supposed to go kuma mufield kuya mkweba abantu kustele jester. Pako batile jester ma voters. Also muni mtown. We are supposed to go outside there. Kuma rural areas. Kuya kuma Shangombo. Kuya kuma Sesheke. Kuya kuma Mchinga. Kuya kuma Eastern Province. Kuya Konse. To go and tell people how the way how we can educate them how to vote. But mulafu kuina my election. Tamulafu kutamu invest kubantu bale bomba. Mulafu atukala ndile kwisa. Aba iche bale bomba. Mwalishuka sana ba opposition. Mwalishuka. Pantu UPND government na abantu bayikoba mu government aba UPND bali kwataka so. Because inanga cha kweba ati ndi mululu government. Ama media onse tibashita. Baba pela ba iche mpia. Mukasata mgote media. Inana ndefri patebo. Ba UPND ni bali kwataka so. Ngalivira Michael Satari ama media onse ngabali ngayali kuka. Because Michael Satari kwete akaso ale sunga abantu na ko opposition. Ale basunga abantu. That's why abantu ale kwalishe kufaya ama lawyers aba ushita defend abantu abaranda ko PF. Ale fire sometimes Michael Satari kuti yakutuma. Kabiya kunani? Kabiya kuchingola. Iyo ala mwipusha abakateka. Nombala landale shan. Alako vati kabiye. Ngawa afika muria untumile phone. Afya alela nda Michael Satari wala kuchingola. Wala afika mchingola bakateka nombala afika mchingola. Elo ala kwebati bula nambeyo mtumine. Wala mulafyo watu mafoni. Ala kuipisha fyo muntu lipesa. Ndipa mwaisen. Ndipa mwaisen. Wamulafyo montoka ya isa. Akutola kuloji yakwe. Wasanga nefi yakudia nendalama na kutumila kare. Umwine waloji wala kupere ndalama na room free. But mwe tamulefo kula chitefyo. How do you expect us to work? Mulefo tukafumye kuise ndalama. Ama phone haba ichewele ishtila. Tulaifoela ama phone. Indalama chama bundles tamutuma. Noma mulefo tukabombeshana. Ala mulala ndepa kuina my election. Because kuina my election kulafo kaba kutadefend pa media. Nokula poster. Nokula sokora ba UPND fo balebe pofufi. Kulingi okula filangisha kubantu. Nokulangisha fo mwabombele ba PF. Nomba ndachakwa batakuli abantu abakulangisha. And you expect abantu kula ishtila mabando. You expect abantu kula ifoela ma phone. You expect us kula from one town to another. Kula for a fuel. You have to be very serious. If you want to win an election, you have to invest in the media. If you want to lose, don't invest in the media. Don't help those people helping us. Who are helping you? Because ngamwarolesha kopa peo kwa afya baichi abanono. Ngamwarolesha musaka kwa afya abanono, of which at the end of the month you timuleba pela for something. This is not the time yakam for tunda mapaka ntemba. This is the time to defend the opposition. This is the time to move around. This is the time to go and educate people how to vote and how we are going to protect our votes next year. But now mwikara muna kwa tukuina my election kubuka fe ku bedroom wa mku ina my election. There are so many things that are needed. We need the resources. Kulafwa ndalama, kulafwa kemyotoka, kulafwa kama ama equipment ya kubomfya, kulafwa kama laptop ya kubomfya. You cannot win an election. Kwati mangaro. Why are you not helping those who are working by opposition? Tati mulando kweba tema kwa ndalama. Bama former ministers imwe. Tati munje batema kwa myotoka. Isha kupela ba media. Aba kweba tibalenda. Mwalipange fintu ifingi lelo ba UPND na bambo kufisenda balele mba kwa CDF kwali befipatala mwakude ba PF you go kwa Wamba hospital fwe ba ileso kola kwa Wamba hospital ni fwe at the end of the day ichipatala chilya bakabika po CDF because twemi eba tamumfwa mulana kwa tukuina my election kuya pa secretariat ku PF kuya pa radio nishimwa bomba uya murusaka. If you understand that these are some of the challenges mwibanga ba UPND abakaso ba UPND bali kwataka so because ndachali chakwe bati na president ine wa chipani ayo sama media ngana litalika ngabali shiftinga nangu nkwate echipani nkwata ngana alikwetenda na masha kutele jese echipani abonse ba media bonse ngabali kuka ba media balingire nga baisa basange fyakulya ba media balingire baisa na moto kailinga na lifuaya yakula basenda no kuba dropper aba ichebenda punch sabato shali tulaika ba journalist ba sabato shali tulaika ngala alikwetenda na make fund je ama media yonse mu Zambia kukuka na bazedel mbizi kuti bakuka nomba mulandi wako wati mne kwa totuso. How do you expect us to work? How do you expect those who are working kubomba? Mulafu ana fiyo tule ishtila. Mulafu ane myote kwa kula ibomja motoka. Na motoka yandine bomja motoka nidi afwe chipani. For 4 years. Mule bako serious. Tule miyafu ba opposition. Tamu wakwa tolu pia imo. Mulafu ana tule nga tayari fiyo chachita. For mulafu ana. Who is going to defend you? Ino ishtala mulala. Nama numbers zo mwa kwa tapa media ya nono. Some of you call yourselves your president. Nama numbers zama followers zo mwa kwa tapa nono. Ngamarona shama followers zo tuwa kwa tapa. Nga wachita ad 193,000 padi page on dipo. Grassroots media ya kwa ta 63,000. Ushite ad. Ushite na TikTok ya kwa ta 100,000. 107. Ushite ad yama numbers za bantu abale nchita follow. And you are a president of a political party. Tawa kwa ta 200 followers. Tala tureku bombera, talefo kutuafwa. At the end of the day, echile ngabala tari bale pena. Echile ngaba ichaba nsala bena chama America na ground ba pena. Muna nduwa nsala. Abela ground na chama America baria na mwari basungire. Na echile chichabinge cha turumuka menso. Na chele nga chahide muna nduwa nsala. Dazu katulela neta mule umfwa. Abantu, these are some of the challenges ya kuwati mwaikala. Abala bomba kumidia ni banani. Mwafwa indra mambo kwa fundinga. By UPN ba win election through propaganda. So by every time mbabomvya propaganda tabakaleke. Balanda tu wakale matakaleka. Mukapona my election because by UPN ba chama propaganda. That's why barela kumunungushu kudoko tabapangile. Bale imama baka. Mwali chimwa chile chimbe nyimbo. Chila balanda ali chimuzozo pa muzozo. Chali ya pada bridge barungu bapangile ya kazungula ile. Chile shana. Kwa chile baka inde bapangile. Bale lando kweba tepale vya chile rungu. Lelo bale bomvya kwa rungu. Because mba PF. Tamufu wakubikenda mamuli media. Tamufu wakubikenda mamuli security. Do you think you are going to win my election? Ichala nga mpode mu 2021. Mwali muwene kumbi bale vote la panshi ya fimuti. You never invested money in the media. You never invested money ku security. How are you going to win my election? You need to start training people. Kulinga uka kuma provinces konse. Kuya mutrenisha abantu how to vote and how to protect them vote. So mna kwa tukuina my election mkesa buka fyo chemu amkuina. But choice ya ndela ntamumfwa. Me I speak the truth whether you untemwe or tauntemeno. Abela Zambia they will continue suffering because of you disorganized opposing political party. You disorganize opposing political parties. You are very disorganized. Tamushitana, abana bala start identify when you go to Kenya. Bala start identify abantu abakwata influence. Those are the people they fund. Bala start ngo waya kumalawi. Bali still fund badaba iche. Abakwata influence. Baba fundinga. That's why Peter already winner. He funded badaba iche baba influence mu Malawi. Abakweba abantu kuchinja obuteko. Mulefu atule mibombela mahara imo. Mulefu atule buko oluchoto ambo kumibombela mahara. In the name of you that you are winner. How are you going to win if you cannot invest in the media? You need to look for money. Kupera abantu abale bomba. Kumalawi kulia. Me have got friends. Gamuare mona. Who are let's update each other. Chumpani Malawan. Ni Grassroots Media International. We have got friends who are in Malawi. I've got friends who are in Zimbabwe. I've got friends who are in South Africa. I've got friends who are in Kenya. I've got friends who are in Uganda. I've got friends who are in Rwanda. The people that we network with. How we run our network. Our friends are being funded. Our friends in Malawi were funded. Our friends in Kenya are being funded. But here in this country, you want to win an election without funding people. My point is that what mwaka inde ichile maula wine mulanda kainde. Na hena UPN yale funding abantu ku opposition. That's why kwa bela propaganda. Because you cannot run a propaganda machinery without funding takwaba. Bale mi penta black ba PF. Yo ba PF eba kwete violence. Kula ndio kwa you don't use the media. Bala send the media yabo. Niyanga bale foko ya mutitechi chonse violence. Bala fuala ma t-shirt yenu. Ela ba panga violence. no kukopa ama t-shirt no bamoneka kuba kopela patari naba fola ama t-shirt ya PF elo listable elo bayapanga violence elo bakopa patari balala ti ba PF ali kwata violence nishinaba mipenta. Because you don't know how to defend yourselves, you don't know how to protect the party. You think like you win my election kubuka feluchero mwamkuina. There must be machinery to protect the party. You have to protect the party. You have to make sure that you fund the people. Namba mlefa tuwe mibombela. Abantu wale mibombela free. Aba ichama bando tabakwata. You are in the name of loving each pan. Abantu wala naka. That's why my matari and adi nakari noka. Aba ichama chama malika na ground bala noka. Why mule mona abantu wale noka. Bale butuka. Mula nduwanshi. Abantu ichimemba chando kweba ati. Ichikata pansa kamusumba wabuari. Favaranda ababemba. So don't pretend like, no, tuka win my election. Mwela kanengabela Zambia kuchula. You are the opposition political party. Mwela lefo kana fundinga. You think you win my election kubuka fima mkuina. You need the people bakwata influence. Aba murusa kaba kwata influence nibanga. Aba lipa media aba ichaba lomba nibanga. You start funding them. So that tabale lomba. No banga bambo kulomba. Bale lale nsala. Do you expect you to win an election? So those are some of the challenges for any miotoka. Mufane ndarama. Mufika ponama. Mufika pona equipment. Aba ichibale bomba. Tuambe utirenesha abantu. Aba kuta protect ama vote. How to vote. So mnama watu kuina my election. Kuisa abuka fio luchero. Ba politician ya bamule mona. And I want to advise you. Mwema Zambia ni mwe. Mwema shifo kutuwafora imu. Kwa di baba kwa tama business mchalo muno. You don't want to help us. Tula minandila kwa tifinifibe buino. Tamufo kutuwafwa. Elwa ka India ka win the next term. Ama business home kweti akawa. Because the first term yako is able to export electricity. What about his last term? Lelo you are complaining. Mlela you are the tribalism anywhere. For us to fight that tribalism cancer, we need the funding. So that we can educate the people how to vote. So that we can move the government which you are suspecting of tribalism. Namba ni wabo civil servant na wikala. Tule kubombela. Wa ule chula niwe. Aba politician mure monaba. Bali kwa tendarama. It is you the civil servants who continue suffering. It is you the marketeers. It's you who have got your business. Aba mure monaba politician bali kwa tendarama. Songa chako ba chibapo they don't care. Bali kwa tol pia kai. Ula mna kwa tabela Fred membe bale chula. Ula mna kwa tikala bale chula. Ula mna kwa tabela KPF bala dinchushi. Ufa mure mona bali kwa tendarama. Bali kwa temyoto bali kwa tama properties. So nango ba wina la bapona tabaka fone nsala mwa ka fone nsala ni mwe mwa shefo kumfanga tureranda especially ba civil servant na mumwa kwa tama business ababa politician mule muna bali kwa tolu pia. That's why mule afofwe fwa sha kwa tolu pia mule tuafo tule milandila ko yo you are a press singer ula muna kwa tiba ababa opposition ama leaders ngabapona bakachura wewe ukala chura niwe wali mwapo politician ababo nderu mbrabela KBF abena Kalaba abena Fred Membe ababo sabena Give Lubinda ulabla kwa tiri nchushi idalabo ya buchushi bali pita balela ndila ko imwe mwe balela mwafita mwe balela malo shedi mwe bala nchushi. So if you say no opposition takudi bakapona, do you think they are going to suffer? Bali kwa tendalama tulasangwa na bena wali mwana nyoto kesho bensha wali mwana motoka BM wali mwana Benzi KBF ensha ni salary ni pension ya bawiso wali mwana motoka Fred Membe enda na ena ni salary yobe ya 20 years ngo wabomba wali mwana motoka Kalabalensha wali mwana motoka Dalensha ya bawiso na bano kwa salaries. So don't expect that balabantu ngamuleba seka balechula mwe balechula nimwe. Those people are very comfortable. Whether balusa or bapona mwe bakachula nimwe. Some of you don't think. You think like when you blame our opposition, even they have got confusion, you are celebrating, but you are the poor people who are going to continue living in poverty because those people you are laughing, they are comfortable even they are just helping you. Loser wa Mungu abale miafua. Bali ba comfortable badia. Tabachula wali opanga ndepo bekala yo wali opanga ndeko Fred Membe wali opanga ndeko KPF yo wali mwenga ndeko KPF akwata wali mwenga ndeko bakwata mula kwata mano. Don't celebrate the confusion in the opposition. Wali mala give you bindo kwekala
Why Malamoto enda na yena. Mula kwata mano. These people that just helping you. Kuruse Rwambwa. Some of them not your opposition, but it is organized. You start celebrating. Tabaka chule po abali kwa tolu pia. Ula mwana tuke BF utiasa ba president kwa bulol pia. Ula mwana tikala ba utiasa ba president kwa bulol pia na wame myoto kesho bensha. Mwabale chula ni mwe. But because you want to ukuba seka, hey, ba opposition but disorganized. You are the people are disorganized. All what they need these people to support them and help them so that they become yafue. They are comfortable. Tabala insala. Oh, una insala niwe. So, imaba opposition afwa yenu rupia. Mwambe utufandinga. Tulefa kemi otoka. Kulefa kenda la mashama bando. Kulefa kenda mashama fuel. Kulefa kenda mashama mkulipa kama radio station. Kwali baba mwa abantu akweba tuwafa ukumfu abantu nga balanda. Elo bachite chindu. So if you think like tuka win a my election, you have to go outside there. Kwa mkufunda abantu. Balaba le vote mu 2021 mufi muti. Beka vote again mufi muti. Mwala ba mwana bale vote mufi muti. Nifi barungu bali kwata, bali kweti oluse. Bali pay omuntu para panani. Kukusolwezi. Uwa PF bali mu paper polling station. Do you think they cannot do the same in 2026? You need the people who are going to protect the votes. So you have to go outside there and educate them. Ukuina my election te Lusaka ati na mbika Lusaka awe. People in Lusaka educated, but kwa babantu abakumishikuja kwa kwebati. Tabaishiba, ama kadazinga, bana mapanga. Tamutile protect ama vote kuiba, mwapona, mwamba no kulila. So you need to find the money. That's what you bati send pamo. Ngatamuko tolu pia send pamo. Fred Membeka bikepo 2 million. KBF ka bikepo 2 million. Kalabaka bikepo 2 million. Abo nsaba le join abaka bikepo 2 million. So that kwa tenda ama shama print ama material. Loku bika mwenda ama good security. Loku bika mwenda ama muna mu media. You cannot win an election by UPND by win an election because of propaganda. You the opposition. You are not using propaganda. You are expecting the Zambian people to change the government. The UPND, they came into government because they brainwashed the Zambian people through propaganda. Yo barungu bade ibapo indalama, pari fio 17 kwacha. Aka India runda fio 31 kwacha. Yo barungu bari penye charo dola yari 17 kwacha. Alo bari from government. Aka India dola ili pale shinga. Barungu bafu mine government fertilizer 570 kwacha. Why barungu bapo nene? Because barungu na ba PF, you never protected the votes. You never protected PF through propaganda of the UPND. And you want to go the same line. Because, ngamuari mona, newa landile pali nani, pali Peter Chanda, na ni miebele ba PF, na miebele ati ba PF, mwari kwete aba na babiri, aba PF, mwari kwete kalaba, mwakwata la KPF, evo na miebele, aba bale teni. In case cha ume mpiri kuntanshi, kutuma abonfya ichi pancha kwa kalaba ni mishiba. KPF ali misho eva na miebere na ali miebere ati ukupesha lunshi kunya pabiri eva na miebere na ali miebere pali KPF na Peter Chanda ali kuisa lero sha miebere mwana chitekala Peter Chanda ali kuisa chiwemba chanda okweba ati kupesha lunshi kunya pabiri eva na le mieba but friends of you miebe tamu understand Peter Chanda ali sta pull out your face na mkuikala kwa lebo kwa fuma mgemu uleti ya bola pa national team uleti ya bola uleti ya pala pajezi 8 wawewa ba coach ati nafumamo na muka pa bench first na labwereramo. That nonsense must be stopped. Joseph yo mieba bifika mguchitikata mumfwa abela Zambia bale chula bale la mulo shedding as if there is no opposing political party that can defend them, that can protect them, because most of you tamufo okupera ama boko yali yabanga ba UPND ichalenga UPND uko na kakaso na mwaba neba UPN ba opposition ngala mkwataka so don't expect to win an election. Mrefu aba iche tule bomfya ma bundles yesu tule bomfya ma phone yesu tule bomfya ama equipment yesu imi otoka shesu na fiwo ela na ulala kunganda nabaka shibobe ulafa tuka kuwinishe kutumpoko kufumya ndalama. Politics about investment bolafa kuba president kufumya ndalama. That's why abantu balepera tayari yapena ali pena tayari lelo asupporta kwa opposition marwa aleta kwa timbo ya pena asupporta ba UPND marwa asupporta mundubire marwa asupporta nani abafu kwa tali furungana muna ndo wansala pantu insala ila penya. So ndem start advise by opposition, can you start funding the media, can you start funding by security shitana ipwa mikala ndati nshale landa Otherwise, again bakala vote la mufimuti. Mwale mwana bale voter. Na bakwata ma ballot paper mufimuti. Did you speak anything? And you were quiet. I even told you. Those elections for 2021 were not fair and fair. Bari pe kungoko. Bamuipa afwa. What did you do the opposition? Nothing. But PF you were in the government. What did you do? Nothing. Bale voter musha fimuti. What did you do? Nothing. Number, if people are voting under the trees, bafu mi ballot paper mu polling station, bambo kuvote la mufimuti, what mo 2026? Na mwika yotuka wina my election. Abele Zambia mkabepa ni nsala because of you disorganized opposing political parties. And most of you are cowards. That's why muna ba UPND. Ba UPND balaranda. Ba UPND bala kwa tama meeting. Grassroots media tumusende. Bali ntumina pa ama phone ine. Tuwala kupela isuzu ya nyu. Nenda lama. Tule kupela. If you feel like if you feel like chita, bale kupose lenchita. No, but because we love this country and we love the Zambian people and we want to support it. It's not everyone who can be a praise singer. Number, tamufu wa kutuafua. Number, mulafu tule bombashan. Mulafu tule bombashan. Pala asi ni muna ula abantu. Because at the end of the day, I need to drive. At the end of the day, I need to help the country. How do I help the country? You don't want to help us. Muna kwa tifu we are small boys, aye. So you don't want to help. So I call upon you, the opposition. Can you start looking after the people that are working? But PF kana mieva. KPF aiwa PF. Kumuleta mambo kubombana nkwe. So that ngachaumo mpili kuntashi. Mwalabu la feke KPF. Mwabombana nkwe mkawina my election. Na nimieba kaya nambo kumieba tamumfwa. In case chaumo mpili kuntashi. Ba UPND bakano kumipele chipani. You can use KPF's party. Mwabombe na chapamo. Mwafua na president. Na running mate. Mwahana kujeno conference. Kujeno election mwawina. Because KPF mwale bomba nankwe. Mwale dana nankwe. Kanaba mwale bomba nankwe. Mwale dana nankwe. So you know each other. Chana mwikara. Wati libala bantu washkwete vision. You need to call those people. Bana ba PF. Bana wakwa lungu badia. KPF mwana wakwa lungu. Kanaba mwana wakwa lungu. Bana wakwa maiko sata. You can work with them. But ngandera andata mule ufukula mfwa. Bring them. Mambo kubomba chapamo. So that inga chao mpili kuntashi. It will be easy. Na mwadishi malaka lefe. How to work. Otherwise, mikandati nshale landa. And I want to advise you. Mwaba UPND. Baka inde chilema. Bali meokwe batina barusa my election. Chwemba chilando kweba ati. Chisosa chipamano. Baka inde bali mieba pabu. Tatutati. Mwema kwa tinsha kwa tamano. Nga mwaewa kateka. Kuna ndo kweba tiba MP baka pona. Na bakansela na bamea baka pona. Baka teka mkawina. Nishi mulemu bepa. Mulemu shoka. Mchibemba tulanda timushoka pepi. Baka inde bali pona. Ama members of parliament baka inde nga bapona. Nishina kainde na pona. Bamea nga bapona. Nishina pona. Nama kansela nga bapona. Nishina kainde na pona. Akainde alipa 20%. 20 to 25%. 30 afike 50 plus 130. Ngamune ibepa chakainde utakwata 50 plus 1. You are lying. You are cheating. You are cheating yourselves. Bola ya dipua. Oh, what is needed? Kuliba opposition. Ambele kufandinga abantu abale bombenchito. For any rupia. Mufwa yo rupia. Ngamune for kuina my election. Because we are not supposed to be. Kula for indalama. Weko le for indalama. Ama bando shite. Fiwa oshite. Mwe bantu bakwa resla mutapazoswa. Na moto kayobi wamfye. Na bekala tuleba landilako. Elo ngaba wina. Mwali mwena barunguro bari pupalia. Ala PF yapone ne bonse bari butwike. Niba ngaba chile survive. Abengi bari butwike. Dia PF twaibonji, twaimia. Elo basokolo kalomba. Abalaba kwatako tundalama. Again tule bomba without funding. What nonsense is that? Munafuatira mibombela, mwali butwike chipani chapona. Twachiruisha, chambo kuwama mwabwela. Again you don't want to help us. No sense. Munafuatira ndile kuisaimu. Mwalimu tuike PF yapona. Twaza mwana tuwa PF bade babe pesha afye. Tuambile na aba icheba. Abele mwana bena Mr. Ground like chama America. Aba iche mwana nduwa nsala bapondoka. Up to this time you cannot realize. Muna mchalo. Ama politics. Kwa fuana. tulemi afwa na formula tu afwa and politics not mbula motoka yandi mbula na fuel mbika pona equipment na mabando yola wikala munganda ureba nabakasha tule winner. You are a fool. You tell your wives and your children to start working. Mula uvendelana ndamulefu amwebi abakashibenu abana beno bali endalama bambi okumibombera because it's like you cannot appreciate. Twashala 8 months 4 years twalimia for chipani mwali butwike lero up to this time you don't want to help us. Tule bomfya mabandles yesu tule bomfya fuel nokumomfya motoka yandi ne bomfya motoka yandi la wikala ureba nabakashibo byati yo grassroots media kwa ali bomba. You are a fool. It's only you are very lucky because UPND by UPND I am a media alikuwa baichaba ngani nebona li UPND president kana lisenda yonse kuba fundinga mwashalo kwa bula media kani mulefu ya free mulefu ya free wali mwana moto yenda free na fuel wali mwana moto phone tusende kwa bula kushita ule mwana ama phone otuwomfya katenda lama ama bando tulebo every day lishinga. Because every day and I'm a program every day. The minimum I can spend is a 50 kwacha kuma bando 50 kwacha. Now 50 kwacha by 30 is about 1,500 kwacha. So 1,500 kwacha I'm able to spend 50 kwacha every day kuma bando. Then that 1,500 kwacha it goes just like that. Mula kwacha oluse. You want to win an election kwa uroluse. Mwalibelele ofine kwa opposition. Kubelele. Kainga tulemieba kuma kwa timi tulemisebanya but that's a fact. Tachinda wonfya motoka yandi ndia bika mo fuel na ma bundles yandi then you no kuntumila ma phone hey grassroots media you are quiet ulashitila ma bundle ulashitila fuel ngana ita 2 days mletu mama phone yo laba kufandinga ba UPND. You are a fool. Mwalishuka chi government echo mwakoze cha UPND chali kwa takaso because abantu abenginga bali butuka mwalishuka potu walikosa. Don't take people as a fools. Ila mwati UPND na ipona tamulefo kufandinga abaiche. You have to go copper belt mwafaba le bomba. Mwa every province, every district mwafaba abaiche abakubomba. Abakulandira kwe charo. Na mulala tiyo tukawina my election. Mukesa alila. Not to so twenu don't win. Tuwala mieba nga mwalole shaba nenu bari bekata bali kuma jere. Nambala nguna kwatenda lama bakuikata wa akujere nisho ndama chika kuchitilashi badi ngamule afu abantu mwafu aba youth mwafu aba women kutiba mi afu at the end of the day mwamona tiba mi afu at the end of the day nomba mule kanu kuba afu at the end of the day mulelila makala dile fo film kata mfo kwa afu abantu mwemula kwa timi tulelanda tule sabaira na politics haya. You need to fund money, look for sponsors, people that can fund money, people that can help. So that at the end of the day, mwachitashani, nabela wale miafwa. Nima mkesa kuwa wa minister, nima mkawa wa president, nima mkawa wa ambassador, nima mkawa wa commissioner. But wale miafwa mlefo kubafwa. At the end of the day, mla lokweba tiyo tukawina my election. How are you going to win election without sponsoring the media? How are you going to win an election without looking for the security who are going to protect you and protect the votes? How are you going to win election without sending people in the rural areas to go and educate people how to register and how to vote? Abantu bakala kole fishimu. Time ya kuvota bakala kole fishimu. Ngade baba kuchipata ba mulibwanja abafurungana. Day ya kuvota bala mkwimbembeba. We need to go outside there and go and educate them. We need the funding. How do you run a political party without funding? How do you run a political party without identifying people abale bomba? Nango ba UPND chalenga bapone. Kwa dia babombele chipani bali chula. That's why UPND is a finished product. I cannot even talk about UPND because UPND is a finished product. Otherwise, we can land that in Shalilanda. Me personally as grassroots media, I'm asking you to start funding the people. Aba kwatama page, aba bombele chipani. Kwa mboku ba funding, atenista ya kula ino. Mwala la mwapona. Aka India rando kwebati na alibikapo group wa mpando. Bakesa ikala pesa. So kulefu ya kufua chemical ya kufumia guru pa mpando po ikala. Iyo chemical ya kumufumisha guru ya kufumia po. Kufandinga abantu bambio kubomba. Abantu bambio kwenda. Abantu bambio kuboma structures. Abantu bale bapama radio. Abantu bale bapama TV. Abantu bale bomba bapama social media. That's how it is. That's how you can learn. That's how you are going to win an election. But fail to do that mukesarila again. Abena kaindi abata kwa tension. Bali po kama city abena maranji uko, bali po kama city abena Bowman uko. Tawa kwa tension aba. Do they respect constitution? Tamamu efi achitike kuna nukabushi. Ale na balanda kudatiyo akainda shelpa ground the campaign. Tamafi mwefi achitike. So you can't see that. Nibanga bale fumyama bale mchinja machine ku register of society na mulala. Because iningana likwete chipani ngana ali PF president ela bale bachinja machine na tulala ngakwali protest because that is illegal. Tetwa mfumya machine ama office bearers ibona akwa mulimo ntungu shira mulala because you don't want to fund by youth, you don't want to fund by women. Muna mwakota kainde eche mangali ku opposition mulefo kutaji register UPND nango bachinja machine ya ama office bearers akainde ngali milekere ngabali still protest across the country. But because you don't want to fund, because you are told to so, and most of you are cowards. You call yourselves your politicians, but you are cowards. Ela PF ya pole na maribu tweak. Ela PF ya mleka tile kwa ta life muabwela. Not to so. Anyway, lesa mi pale na mkula na fileka. Because ngala mieba nde Mr. Device, bubu teko bwa lipono bwa kwa inde chilema. Eche lipona. Vision ya HH na charo tapali vision ali mebela tubunga kwa 50 kwacha. Are you able to get to 50 kwacha? Afya mebele ali mebela to fiwe kama 12 kwacha mnata fiwe 12 kwacha ali mebeta kwa kabelo shading mulo shading UPN ndakare yapwa na mwale funding abantu UPN ngari kuka abantu ngabali kuka kale ngabali joina kale opposition but because tamlefo ku funding atamlefwa chomlefwa ku na my election without funding mangarwa. Anyway, good night. Thank you so much, Mubare Tambere Samipare. I just came to talk about these things. Maybe one day bako mfwa. Otherwise, it's so that chipamano.
Follow
Lutaka nekopata Nikwisa kutawa bumba lunguwe PF Don't tap a shell